Okay, now we're gonna do one on product description, which is one of the main parts of selling something on your website. Maybe you have a product of a good that you're selling, shoes, makeup, just any product, or a service. So we're gonna use this prompt, and then we're going to go in and change this product to either a product or a service. Now, I'm gonna show you how you can dig deep and make this prompt work really well for you. Now, let's start off by talking about the prompt first. So we ask it to generate a product description for the product. Now, this product could be your video editing service, which is the example we've been using, or if it's something that you're selling. If you're selling a certain item, maybe a blender or something for health conscious people, you would put that here. Now, that describes and helps sell its unique features and benefits. Make it speak to your ideal demographic. So your ideal demographic would be whoever you're targeting or your main customer basis. Now, the more in depth with that, the better. So we're gonna start off by changing the product part into the video editing service. And then we're gonna make it speak to small business owners in the San Diego area. Now, this is just being precise on demographic. It could be anything. So if you are, for example, selling tea, you would change this to maybe matcha green tea and then make it speak to perhaps startup owners in the Bay Area or Asian Americans between the ages of 20 to 50, based in a certain region. The more specific, the better. You could even go as far as saying like, oh, I want to target health conscious people who are also eco-friendly. Now, the more precise, the better, and ChatGPT also has the option to help you get even more precise. But we're gonna start with this prompt first just to see what it gives us, and then I'm gonna dive in deeper so that you can get an understanding of how we could really fine-tune this to be a very targeted description that you can use. So here's what it starts by saying. And imagine this would be the product page where you're selling your service. So it says, introducing our top-notch video editing service for small business owners in the San Diego area. At our company, we understand that video content is a crucial element for any modern business's success. That's why we created a comprehensive video editing service that's designed to cater to the needs of small business owners in the San Diego area. Now, it is being a bit repetitive with the San Diego area term, but that's fine. We can use some of this stuff to just use it as a basis on what to build off of. Now, it mentions our unique features and benefits include, so these are the type of benefits that are included with this video service. Now, video service is a very general of an example, so this actually does work pretty well. But if you're doing something that is more niche, for example, if you're doing certain types of massages, that would be much more helpful if you can have a in-depth, more targeted type of description. And then it ends with saying, by choosing our video editing service, you can take your business video content to the next level and stand out from the competition. We're committed to helping small businesses in the San Diego area achieve their goals, and we look forward to working with you. Now, this is more of just padding, filler for the paragraph. You don't really need it, but it does help to have a concluding sentence. Now, let's go back and look at this. Since our example is easy, I want to go more in depth and show you what it would be like if you had a more targeted and niche example. So we're going to use the example of a massage. So I'm going to prompt it to list 5 types of Asian massages and benefits that they include. This way, when we're doing a massage service description, then we can have something to put in there. Okay, so now it's generating these types of massages. And as you notice, it's much more targeted. So there's Thai massage, shiatsu massage, Ayurvedic massage, Tuina massage, and Balinese massage. Now, the thing is, I know I've had 3 of these before, so I know these are real, and these are targeted actual massages. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to go back in here and change our initial prompt so that it can speak to this type of massage. Now, if you want to be even more in depth, you can have the targeted part, like the demographic that you're targeting, be even more spot on. So we could ask ChatGPT, for example, list the types of people who would be very interested in purchasing massages, preferably in the San Diego area, San Diego or Southern California region. Okay, now we have a list of potential people that would be interested in the massage services. So, do you see what I'm getting here? Is that you can use some of these people to be the perfect type of target to target as you're writing this description. So, we're going to go back. We're going to change our initial description or our initial prompt to come up with the most targeted description. So now we'll put our prompt back in, generate a product description for our massage service that includes, now we would list these types of massages: Thai massage, shiatsu massage, Ayurvedic massage, Tuina massage, and Balinese massage, that describes and helps sells its unique features and benefits. Make it speak to. Now you have this huge list of people that you can have it speak to, like an ideal demographic. So what I would do here is I would find which one works best for my particular situation. And if you're running ads, you could actually have multiple ads, every single page for a certain demographic. So if you're running an ad that targets a certain group of people, you can have them land on a landing page that is written specifically for them. So maybe they're working professionals, they'll land on one page; an athlete's page, they'll land on another page; people with chronic pain, they'll land on another page. And then all of these pages would be catered specifically towards this group of people. So now we're gonna put this into our ideal demographic. Make it speak to individuals with chronic pain, people suffering from okay, and this would be some of the things they're suffering from. So now you see how in-depth our message or our prompt is. Okay, so I'm going to prompt it, and now it's going to come up with some description for us. Okay, and as you see, this is a beautiful example now. The introduction introduces all of our massages, and then it talks about how this is designed to be catered to these type of people who are suffering with these symptoms. And then it also talks, kind of a filler, but it talks about how there's a experienced massage therapist in this facilities and they'll know how to do their job. And then here it lists the different types of massages, and as you can see, it actually goes in and describes the massage. So like it does stress relief and pain management and increases range of motion, and it's like a deep tissue massage with stretching involved, and all of these massages have their own specific like healing points to it and description, and it's exactly what people want to see when they're looking at product description. And then again, this final sentence is a bit long. By choosing our massage service, you can experience the relief you need from chronic pain conditions. Our massage therapist will work with you to develop a personalized plan that addresses your specific pain concerns. You can relax and unwind in a tranquil environment, knowing that you're in the hands of professionals who care about your well-being. Book your appointment today and experience the benefits of our unique massage service. Now, you could cut this down, but otherwise, this is a good example of how to use a prompt to come up with the description for your product or service.